The moment you open your mouth to say the spirit of poverty, that just sums you up mentally. That just lets me know that, man, you're mentally retrogressed. Like, you haven't got a clue about finance. And why? Religiosity does this to us. It's a generational problem. Because you are told, oh, in the name of such and such, I cast out the spirit of poverty. In the name of such and such, I reject poverty. What? In order for us to alleviate poverty, we build financial structures. We have investments. This is where financial literacy and knowledge comes into play. You have no clue. You don't have a basic understanding about finances. But you're talking about you cast out the spirit of poverty. Poverty is man-made. Let's even start with that. Poverty is man-made. Poverty ain't no goddamn spirit, black folks. I grew up hearing that crap. In the name of such and such, because I don't want to piss people off. I cast out the spirit. It ain't no goddamn spirit. It's man-made.